What's up, creators? Cool here from Authority Videos AI. Ever wondered what the cities of the future will look like? Well, you're about to find out. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to explore the cities of 2100, a world of flying cars, vertical forests, and AI-driven living spaces. Here's why this topic is blowing up. Channels like Tech Vision and Future Lab are getting millions of views covering futuristic concepts. And the best part? You don't need fancy tools or hours of editing to join this trend. Stick with me and I'll teach you step by step how to pick and refine viral video ideas for this niche using GPT. How to bring your ideas to life with just a few clicks using Authority Videos, how to set up your channel and streamline the entire process to automate your uploads. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start your own viral channel about the cities of 2100. Let's go! Quick question, is this your first time trying to create a faceless channel? Or have you already started but need help with something specific? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear where you're at and how I can help. Let's start by picking the perfect topic for your video. With GPT, you can brainstorm ideas that grab attention and maximize engagement. Here's the prompt. Generate 10 YouTube video ideas about cities of the future. Include short, attention-grabbing titles and unique storytelling angles, ideal for viral shorts. Let's try it live. Check out these incredible ideas. Skyscrapers that clean the air. For today, we'll focus on skyscrapers that clean the air. Let's move on to the fun part, creating visuals that will blow your audience away. Now that we have our topic, it's time to bring it to life. With authorityvideos.com, creating jaw-dropping visuals is as simple as entering a few words. Here's the prompt for our futuristic city visuals. Explore futuristic buildings designed to combat climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide with visually stunning animations of their mechanisms. Let's generate some visuals. Watch this, carbon dioxide absorbing buildings. Skyscrapers helping the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide. Look at that. In just seconds, Authority Videos captured the futuristic vibe we're going for. Let's keep the momentum going and set up your channel. Let me know, what's the biggest challenge you're facing when building your faceless channel? Is it coming up with ideas, creating videos, or something else? Drop it in the comments and I'll make a future video to help. Your visuals are ready. Now let's make your channel stand out. A professional setup builds credibility and grows your audience. Choose a name and design a sleek, eye-catching logo with free tools like Canva. Here's a simple prompt for your video metadata. Generate a YouTube title, description, and tags for a video about skyscrapers that clean the air. Example, output, title, skyscrapers that clean the air, the future of urban architecture. Description, discover the groundbreaking world of eco-friendly skyscrapers that are transforming urban landscapes. Tags, skyscrapers, sustainable architecture, air purifying buildings. Add this metadata during your upload to boost discoverability. Use YouTube Studio to upload your video, add your metadata, and either publish it immediately or schedule it for later. It's that simple. Is there a specific topic you'd like to see me cover next? Let me know in the comments, and I'll feature it in an upcoming video. Here's where the magic happens, scaling your channel with an automated system. Use this prompt, generate 30 YouTube video ideas about future cities, including titles and angles for storytelling. Examples, vertical farms feeding 10 billion people. Mars cities, Earth's first neighborhoods in space. The world's first smart city is already here. Follow the same steps we used earlier to generate visuals and metadata for each idea. Batch creating saves time and keeps your content pipeline full. Upload your videos in bulk and schedule them to release weekly. This keeps your channel active and growing even when you're not online. And there you have it. You've learned how to pick engaging topics about future cities using GPT, create stunning visuals with authorityvideos.com, set up your channel for maximum reach and professionalism, automate your uploads to scale your channel effortlessly. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Remember, it's cool to stand out.